Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to use Chromecast in an Airtel XStream stick device. So basically, if you have an Android TV and an Android phone with you, then you can cast it to any of the Android TV. So since the Airtel XStream stick also has Android TV operating system inbuilt, it has got Chromecast built in. What you need to do, you have to connect to the same Wi-Fi network that the Android TV or the Airtel XStream TV is connected. Now you have to go in the notifications. In the notification there is an option called Screencast. I am using a Pixel, so it is Screencast. If you are using a Samsung, it will be Smart Display, something like that. So you have to click this here. Now it will show you three of the options. The devices are available in the home that supports casting. So I have an Android TV, as you can see here, that is a Bravia 4K. This is my family room Airtel stick. This is the Airtel stick that we have set up now. So if you want that you have a lot of Android TV devices here and you want to change the name to rectify which one is where, so I'll show you a quick trick here. You just need to go in the settings. Now go inside Android settings. Next we will be going to about, then device name, and we will change the device name to a family room TV. So when we do this, the next time we try to cast, it will show two of the device. Living room TV is a Bravia, and HP 2707 is this device. So and then I'll select this. It will ask that exposing chronic, just select yes, start now, and voila, it is done. So as you can see here, I'm casting my phones to the TV. This is casting a phone to the Chromecast, using the Chromecast to the TV. Now I will show you how you can cast other apps, those which are not available on your Android TV or on the Play Store, but it is available in the phone and it supports Chromecast. So we will go and open YouTube Music. So if you want to stop this cast, you can go ahead and select this and stop the cast, but it is not mandatory to do that. We can also use it here. We will select this and it will ask which one the device. It is also showing the screen mirroring is going on. It will automatically switch to YouTube Music. Now I will play some music here. Let's check this out. Okay, I've selected a music here to play, and that music can be controlled here. Like I will be able to control the play, pause. I can also forward it, backward it, everything. But the music will be playing on the TV. Another thing I would like to show, that you can also cast your YouTube videos. Like if I go here and I will select some videos. I will select this video to cast. So basically now it is playing on my phone, and there you are listening your music. But if you want this to be seen on the big screen, you can go ahead and select this, as there is a cast symbol here. Select this cast symbol here, select family room, and now that video will play on your big screen. In the meantime, you can also search other videos here and add to the queue. Like if I select this, it will ask an option to add to the queue or play immediately. If I select play, then it will play immediately there. If I select here and add to the queue, then it will be added to my queue here. You can select here, you can see that is I have added the queue here. So the same thing, if you want to stop that video from there, just click this button again and you can disconnect it, or you can just click in the remote, you can click the back button here, it will go away. So automatically it will also disconnect from here. As you can see, when it is connected, this symbol here stays full. If it is not connected, then it stays just like an icon. So that's all my friends. Thank you for watching for this video, and do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Bye bye.